Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood for options trading. We will cover the basics of what options are and how they function on the platform. You will learn about different types of options and key terms. We will also discuss how to place your first trade, ensuring you understand the process. This guide aims to simplify options trading for beginners, helping you navigate the market with confidence. Understanding call and put options is fundamental to options trading. A call option gives you the right to buy 100 shares of a stock at a specific price. You typically buy calls if you believe the stock price will rise. Conversely, a put option gives you the right to sell 100 shares. You would buy puts if you expect the stock price to fall. These are the two basic types of options. When trading options, you will encounter several key terms. The strike price is the price at which the underlying asset can be bought or sold. The expiration date is the final day the option is valid. The premium is the cost to buy the option contract, typically for 100 shares. Remember, options trading carries substantial risk, and it is possible to lose your entire investment. Always understand the risks involved. To place an options trade on Robinhood, first find the stock you are interested in and tap Trade Options. Next, decide if you want to buy or sell a call or a put and choose an expiration date. Then, select your desired strike price and the number of contracts you wish to trade. Each contract typically represents 100 shares. Always review your order thoroughly before confirming to ensure accuracy and avoid errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.